Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. Do you actually know where you stand against your competitors? Not just a gut feeling, but a clear visual picture of where you're stronger, where you're weaker, and where the market opportunity nobody is owning yet actually sits. So there comes Upgrowth's GTM competitive positioning map, which is a three-phase tool that helps you score yourself and up to six competitors across eight dimensions, plots everyone on an interactive positioning map, and gives you a full competitive gap analysis, auto-generated positioning statements, and strategic recommendations all in one place. The tool across works across three phases. Let me walk you through each one. The first is define market. Start by entering your company name, your tagline or value proposition, which is a one line description of what you do, and your industry here, and your primary GTM motion, meaning whether you are product led, sales led, partner led, or hybrid. Then add up to six competitors here you want to benchmark yourself against. Each competitor gets their own entry on the positioning map. Next, let's move on to phase two. Phase two is core dimensions. This is where the real work happens. You score your company and every competitor from 1 to 10 across 8 competitive dimensions, right? Like price competitiveness, product depth, innovation speed, brand strength, customer experience, and GTM reach, technical depth, and system or integration strength. The score updates the visualizations in real time as you fill them. So here is the output, that is phase 3, analyze and visualize. First, you can choose your positioning areas here. Pick any two of the 8 dimensions of your X and Y axis from the drop down here. The tool instantly plots every company on an interactive scatter map with circle size reflecting market share. You can switch the axis at any time to explore different competitive angles from the drop down here. And then comes the competitive gap analysis. Sorry, below there is a radar chart, which is a competitive overview showing all eight dimensions simultaneously for each player, so you can see at a glance where you overlap with competitors and where you stand apart. And then comes the competitive gap analysis. For each of the eight dimension, you see a color coded bar whether you lead or trail the competition. Green means you are ahead, red means you are behind. The tool also highlights your single biggest opportunity here and your single biggest threat based on the gaps. Next, the tool auto generates three ready to use positioning statements built from your data. Statements you can use in sales tech, via website copy, or investor pitches. Below that, we also have a strategic recommendation breakdown, breaking down your differentiation opportunities, your vulnerability zones, crowded spaces to avoid leading with, and white space opportunities that no competitor is currently owning. And finally, the full competitive comparison table gives you a clean side by side view of every company across all eight dimensions, easy to screenshot and drop straight into a board presentation or strategy document. You can also download your positioning map directly, so most businesses guess at their competitive position. This tool makes it visual, measurable, and actionable. Build your free competitive positioning map at approach.in with this tool. The link is dropped below in the description. Please check out. And if you want help turning these insights into actual positioning strategy and GTM plan, that is exactly what we do at Upgrowth. We are a growth and go-to-market agency that helps funded startups and growth stage brands find their positioning edge and build the systems to own it. So let's talk. Get in touch with Upgrowth today. Thank you.